You do take my shit out of my.
It's ridiculous, man, this shit. I don't know what it is. I gotta get rid of my car and get another one.
Maar dat is what.
Ja, dat kost ook geld. Ik wacht op mijn geld.
Yeah, I know.
It helps when other people to start my car.
That's what
This
you
shit
said.
won't work when I start it.
Let's go to dinner. It'll be fun, we said.
Yeah.
Car won't start, guys. Fun stuff in life, you know?
And we are 2 hours away from where we should go.
Yeah. We're already a little late. For a second I thought I was gonna start.
Ja, dat dacht ik ook heel even, ja.
Het ging wel beter, denk ik.
Ja.
Doe nog een keer. It's pedal while you do that. Give gas while you do that.
Nee, dat kan niet.
Niet? Oh, with the automatic you can. Waarom
Ja,
niet?
dat
Het staat
kan-
op parkeer toch?
Wacht even.
That's what people do. I know people do that when they won't start, they give gas while they turn it on.
Ja.
Try it.